Here's Snapfish app, photos, cards, and books. So let's just give it a try. Double click to install, and yeah, this is the app where picture printing is made easy. Make memorable gifts in a snap. Easily add fun photos to create custom holiday cards. Create photo ornaments full of personality. Give them something unforgettable plus unique. 100 free 4 on 6 prints every month in the app. So yeah, just pay shipping and get 100 4 and 6 print allocation every month. 100 prints offer valid on US op only. So yeah, quite cool. So if you have some photos after some Christmas, for example, or some family gathering or anything or some party, you can just print and just order some swag with it. But it only works in US. So yeah, just order prints, and then 4 and 6 prints allow full access. And then you can just show the albums. Okay, so let's just select selfies. So for example, I can have this print. I can tap order, and then I can see this in the yeah, so then it will be basically like a print. You can just order these images, and then yeah, you can just pick them up. So quite cool. And then not only photos, you can order all of this kind of additional stuff here, all these additional prints, books, ornaments, drinkware, blankets, pillows, large prints, decor, calendars, magnets, apparel, accessories, like all of these things. So yeah, all of the things. Yeah, quite cool app. And you just doing it from your fingertips. You don't need to go to some photo studio, whatever. Just download the app, order it, boom, done. You get it delivered. It's quite nice. So yeah, there you have it. Hope it's helpful.